More trees will be planted in the city of Baguio in vacant areas in the Cordilleras. This is in line with the re-greening program of the Aquino administration. The full report from Jonathan Llanes.
The Regional Environment and Natural Resources Department in the Cordilleras is set to enhance its planting of pine tree seedlings and even larger trees in the remaining patches of vacant areas in the country's summer capital under the National Greening Program of the national government. In the celebration of the 25th year anniversary of the Baguio Greening Movement, DENR Cordillera Regional Executive Director Clarence Barguilat explained that moves are now underway to ensure the retention of the remaining trees in the city's watersheds, communal forests, and even parks. Among these are the possible application of tree surgery implemented in trees that have shown signs of infection.
We targeted, nung nag-start ang NGP noong 2011, we targeted Baguio City. Pero doon nga sa ating areas, based on statistics ng sentro natin, sinabi nila na we're running out of areas. We have run out actually of areas in Baguio City. So yung mga pakonti-konti na lang dyan, parang mga patches, yun na lang medyo pinupuno natin. And so sabi ko, in Baguio City, let's concentrate more on looking at the trees that we have as to their health conditions, no? At lalo na in our parks, at nang sa ganoon, kung merong mga dapat isagawa na natawag natin na mga surgery and things like that, then let's do it.
Meanwhile, the Environment and Natural Resources Department is now undertaking preparations for the mass planting of various species of trees in the different communal forests nationwide before the year 2016 under the National Greening Program. Barguilat said that the DENR have identified and mapped out the various watershed areas and communal forests that will be under the NGP.
Well, under the National Greening Program, na-attain na namin ang more than 50% ng seedling production. So, and then with the announcement of Pag-asa na rainy season, so we are also ready to plant. In fact, itong June 25 is yung Barangay Forest Program namin. So, yung mga barangays na involved dito, magsisimulang magtanim not only in CAR but nationwide yan.
From the city of Baguio for the People's Television, Jonathan Llanes.